Hello, my name is Sam and I'm one of the math tutors at EPL. Today we're going to look at question 15 from section 3 from the April 2019 official SAT. Now, question 15 from section 3 is usually one of the toughest questions on the test, but I'm going to show you how to solve this question fairly quickly. Okay, so the question says, which of the following could be the graph of y equals x squared plus 2x plus 2? And we can figure this out by finding the vertex of the parabola. So to find the vertex, we have a parabola in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and the x-coordinate of the vertex is always going to be negative b over 2a. So in this case, negative b, well, the value of b is 2, so we've got minus 2 over 2 times a, which in this case is 1. So we've got minus 2 over 2, which is negative 1. Now we can immediately see that this vertex here is not, the x value of that vertex is not negative 1. Same for c. Now b, it looks like the x value of the vertex is negative 1. That looks good. For a, it definitely does not look like the vertex is at negative 1. We can't be entirely sure because we don't have the scale for the x-axis. But, you know, if you were running out of time at this point, you could go with B and you could be fairly confident that you've got the right answer. If you do still have some time left at this point, we want to double check and make sure that B is correct. We'll do that by plugging in negative 1 into our equation and to see what the y value of the vertex is. So we've got y equals x squared plus 2x plus 2. We'll plug in negative 1. Okay, we get 1 minus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to 1. So we now know that the coordinates of the vertex are negative 1, comma 1, and this point here makes perfect sense. That's going to be negative 1, comma 1, so we've got B as our answer. All right, so now we've solved one of the toughest questions on the test, and we did that in a fairly painless and fast method.